We knew in Dorset that we didn't link our health and our social care data together as well as we could do. And we had lots of ideas about how we might want to do it better. So we started the Dorset Intelligence Insight Service to link our data for the benefit of our patients.
Power BI, together with the Azure cloud hosting, did everything we needed to do. We're now in a position where we're harvesting the data from all of the organisations in the county, so primary care, the GPs, community and mental health, the police force, the fire service and our 3 acute hospitals. And we can use it to improve the care we deliver.
It was a revelation. I suddenly realised this was what I've been after all these years. The ability to look at the whole population of COPD or asthma patients, all the way down to the individual patient level, on one screen is just amazing. Now what we can do is reach into the population and pull out the patients who could benefit from more advanced treatments. So rather than suffering from their disease, we can be much more proactive.
Health is not just about healthcare. The wider determinants of health really are about the socio-economic conditions. Actually having deprivation, ethnicity, social isolation gives us that real-time snapshot. And so looking at that, we can then think about how we design the service to wrap around them. And that excites the workforce because they are actually preventing illness as opposed to trying to fix illness.
What this data allows us to do is start to think about funding health services in a very different way. Do we need hospitals the size that we have? Do we need the mental health services that we have? Or do we need different ones? And we can very rapidly then provide intelligence to the executive community. And that's really where the excitement comes. It's keeping people healthier, giving them a better quality of life. And by doing that, we will use our NHS resources more efficiently.
Transparity are much more of a partner than a supplier. We develop things together, they listen to us about the problems that we have and the opportunities and where we want to take this tool. Transparity offer that capability and that experience on the Microsoft stack. We haven't really bought off-the-shelf products, so we used the Microsoft Azure platform, Data Factory and some of the other data warehousing options alongside Microsoft Power BI, getting some really cutting-edge data and analytics, which is exciting. Transparity is able to transfer some of that knowledge to us. I think that's fantastic, and I'm really proud of the relationships we're starting to build.
We're looking to try to develop a blueprint of what we've created here that could be done anywhere. And we're not finished. There's going to be so much more we're going to include and so much more quality of life improvements to be made for our public, and that's what the power behind this really brings.